Good morning, day 18 of 75 Hard. Listen, yesterday I finished my first book of 75 Hard, which was Undistracted by Bob Goff. And man, what a, number one, great book, highly recommend it. But what a great message of life in general. Like we get distracted by things. We start things and we never finish them, or things take way too long, or we get off course on the mission and the vision that we have for our life because we get distracted. And distractions aren't always a bad thing. Like literally distractions can be, well, like I had a kid, I got married, I had to pay the bills. And in 75 Hard, when you think about the time it takes to execute this, 2 workouts a day that are at least 90 minutes combined time, the drinking the water, the peeing, the walking back and forth to the bathroom, peeing, the reading, all that stuff. Like what were you doing with that time before? I don't know, but we fill up all our days. Like nobody has a problem filling up their days with doing things, right? So I think it's a great lesson to remember what are you doing? Like literally, what are you doing with your life? And did you get distracted with the actual vision you had for yourself? And are you being distracted now from the greatness that God has for you and the greatness that is out there for you to attain? Probably. We're all distracted. There's so much shit, I talked about it yesterday or the day before about how much information we receive on a daily basis. So get that book, Undistracted by Bob Goff, and pay attention today of the things that distract you as the day goes on from what you actually should be doing or think you should be doing. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. Folks, everything for day 18 is done. I was totaling things up. By the way, when you're done with all your water, you can have sparkling water in the evening, which is delicious. Anyway, I was kind of analyzing what I've done for these first 18 days so far. In these 18 days, 16 days, I've had the same exact breakfast. 16 days, I've had the same exact lunch. Probably 12 or 13 days, I've had the same snacks. Dinner always changes because my wife and I cook dinner at home, so that's always a constant thing, but I'm fitting it into my macros and all that stuff. All but 2 of my outdoor workouts have been a weight vest walk. I've lifted weights every single day. I just finished a book, so now we're on to the book. But the point is, all those things are basically the same thing every day. And I know people are like, I don't want to eat the same thing every day and eat the same thing boring. Well, what's more important? Your goals or your feelings about your food? Look, I eat beef and rice every day for lunch. Sometimes I put hot sauce in it. Sometimes I put Greek yogurt in it. Sometimes I put burger sauce in it. Like, you can change the thing. You can make it taste a little bit different. It's not that hard to do. But sometimes you just gotta suck it up for a little while and have some consistency, build some better habits, and make things easy on yourself. So there's your hack. If you want to hack for the day, just do the same shit over and over again. And try it. Try for 30 days, or 45 days, or 75 days, and see what happens. Y'all have a great night. Keep making good choices.